Hello everyone, we are here at Abisamis Eye with Dr.
Hello.
And with him. We're here for Nate's follow-up check-up. Responding very, very well to the new treatment, which is
The repeated low red light therapy.
parang ano siya, parang tumingin ka sa araw.
Yes.
Tumingin ka sa araw ng 1 minute, parang ganon.
Oo.
So parang binibigyan mo ng vitamin D yung mata mo. Oo, so yun yung ginagawa ng machine.
Yes.
Binibigyan ka ng vitamin D directly sa mata mo. Since hindi natin nagagawa at hindi na nabibigyan ng proper na atensyon ng mga tao ngayon na tumingin sa araw, ginagawa yun ng machine for you.
Yes.
Hindi ba, Doktora?
Exactly. 3 minutes twice a day
Twice a day.
for 5 days a week.
5 days a week. But his eyes are doing well, di ba, Doktora?
Very well. Good.
By the way, yung machine na pinahiram sa amin ni Doktora, nalalaman niya pag hindi ginagamit ni Nick. Kasi tinetext niya ako, at ako yung tinetext niya. Hindi si Nate, sasabihin niya, Nate hasn't been using it. Sasabihin ko sa kanya, no, Nate is resting. So, ayan, andito kami para sa mga check-up niya. Ang dami niyang mga ginagawa. Ayan, o.
Nate is at a risk because he's myopic. And the family of Ogie has history.
History, o.
Yes, so 50% of glaucoma are inherited. So,
Itong mga test na ito, kinalakihan na niya. Sanay na siya. And, kasi di ba, Doktora, yung mata ni Nate, nag-oblong na siya.
oo, elongate.
So ngayon, medyo nabawasan yung pagkaka-oblong niya. Ang gusto kasi natin, maging round siya ulit. So, tinutulungan yun nung machine. And, kasama nun, syempre, he's still wearing Ortho-K, which helps with, yung pagtaas ng grado ng mata niya and para hindi na mag-elongate pa yung mata niya.
This is called corneal topography. It measures, if you go to a regular mall, the opticals will only measure 3 points on the eye. This one measures more than 10,000 points on the eye to get the shape. Because if the shape of the eye is a bit oblong, it has a tendency to really grow longer. So this one tells me if in the morning when Nate wears his Ortho-K in the evening, if it's well-centered and if it's treating it well.
Yeah.
Straight Nate. This is called the fundus photo. It gives us a whole picture of what's happening at the back of his eye. Pwede yung likod ng mata, humahaba na, nagsa-stretch pa. Pwede siya magkaroon ng parang stretch marks. At worst, tears or punit or detachment. So that's what we're trying to avoid. That's why we're slowing down yung kanyang nearsightedness, yung progression ng myopia niya.
Dok,
So
anong mangyayari kung kunwari magkaroon ng tear sa mata niya?
Pwede makakita siya ng floaters, parang spider webs sa vision niya. And then the worst is he suddenly sees like a curtain, black curtain on his sight. Parang merong itim na kurtina bumabang ganun sa harapan ng mata niya, which is bad.
Tapos yung long-term effect nun?
Nare-repair siya, kaya lang kasi even if it's repaired, humihina na yung pelikula ng mata. So, yeah, mga nearsighted, mahaba yung eyeball, they're prone to this. How prone? Depending on the amount, kung gaano kataas yung grado ng mata. So, pagka more than 300 yung grado ng mata, tumataas yung risk na humahaba yung mata, numinipis, at yung risk na magkaroon ng retinal detachment. Yun. That's why we're doing this.
That's why we're doing this.
This is the optic nerve. And yung pinakamalaking ugat sa katawan natin. This is like a socket that sends signal to the brain. So ito, pag sobrang taas yung grado, pwedeng lumalaki. No? That's what we call glaucoma. Yung pressure tumataas. So for now, I'm seeing a very small, normal size of the disc or the optic nerve. Okay, Nate. So we're good. Ito, yung left niya naman. This is the optic nerve. Yung size niya mga 3, which is normal. So this is the artery. Ito yung ugat na mataba. Ito yung veins, no? Yan. Ito yung macula. Parang may nunal, no? This is the most important part of the eye. Ito yung keenest vision natin. Dito siya tinatanggap. So ito, dapat walang blood vessel, which is tama, wala. Clean siya. Kasi pag nagkaroon niya ng blood vessel, it's not good. Na merong blood vessel na lumalabas dyan. Nate has a very good, healthy retina. Yes.